Most lemon trees fail for one quiet reason that almost nobody talks about. They grow leaves, maybe flowers, but they never lock into a rhythm of heavy fruiting. Gardeners blame fertilizer, pests or climate, yet the real problem sits right at the base of the tree, completely ignored. Once you understand this single trick, lemon trees stop behaving like ornamentals and start acting like fruit factories. Lemon trees are not lazy plants. They are highly responsive. When conditions feel unstable, they protect themselves by aborting fruit early. The trigger is not lack of nutrients alone. It is inconsistent root signals. Roots must receive steady moisture, oxygen and microbial activity at the same time. Miss one, and the tree switches into survival mode instead of production mode. Most gardeners water the soil surface and fertilize the canopy. The most important zone is neither. It is the shallow root halo just beyond the trunk flare, where feeder roots communicate with microbes. If this zone dries, overheats, or stays biologically dead, the tree never commits to fruit. Create a permanent living buffer around the lemon tree that stabilizes moisture, feeds microbes, and moderates temperature at the root level. This is not mulch alone. It is a charged organic ring that stays active year-round. This one change rewires how the tree behaves. Lemon trees evolved in environments where leaf litter constantly fed the soil surface. Modern gardens strip that system away. The living ring recreates it without mess or rot. The ring holds moisture evenly, prevents sudden dry stress, and feeds beneficial organisms that unlock nutrients already in the soil. Mix 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses into 5 litres of water. Stir thoroughly. Pour the mixture slowly into the soil in a wide circle, starting about 20 centimetres away from the trunk and extending to the drip line. Do not pour directly against the trunk. Within days, microbial activity increases dramatically. Worms move closer to the surface. Roots respond by producing more fine feeder tips. These tips send hormonal signals upward that conditions are safe for fruit development. This is why flowering becomes more stable. Fertilizers feed the tree directly but bypass the soil system. When roots cannot interact with microbes, nutrients move erratically. That instability causes flower drop and small fruit. The living ring makes nutrients predictable instead of aggressive. Use shredded leaves, soft grass clippings that have dried slightly, or partially broken down compost. The layer should be about 5 to 8 centimetres thick and kept away from the trunk itself. This material is not decoration. It is a biological engine. Water deeply but less often. The ring slows evaporation and stores moisture. Lemon trees prefer consistency over volume. Shallow daily watering ruins this system. They pile mulch against the trunk, suffocating bark and inviting disease. Or they use dry wood chips with no biological charge. Or they fertilize heavily, forcing growth without support. This trick works because it restores balance, not because it pushes growth. Flower drop decreases first, then fruit size improves. Then production spreads more evenly across seasons instead of arriving in one weak flush. Leaves darken naturally without excess nitrogen. It costs nothing. It uses waste materials. It requires understanding systems instead of products. That is why it rarely appears on labels or care guides. Nature does not sell shortcuts. Early in the growing season sets the strongest foundation. However, this method works anytime the soil is not frozen. Once established, refresh the ring every few months. The tree will tell you when it is happy. Over time, roots move outward instead of circling near the trunk. This improves drought tolerance, disease resistance, and lifespan. Productive lemon trees are almost always biologically supported trees. Fruit is the symptom, not the goal. If this revealed something you were never told about lemon trees, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this with someone struggling with citrus, and help bring forgotten growing wisdom back into gardens where it belongs.